Hello everyone, hello aviation lover. I'm Shweta and today I'm here to share my experience with the Virgin Atlantic interview process. If you are new to my channel, welcome. This is my very first video and I'm truly hope you will enjoy it and find it helpful. Without wasting any time, let's get started. In this video, I'll walk through exactly what happened during my assessment, how the process works and how you can prepare for it. I'm sure this will really help you if you are planning to appear for the assessment. And yes, you can definitely clear it. The reason I'm saying this because this is not my first time clearing the Virgin Atlantic interview. Previously, I have applied for the London-based and completed the interview and successfully cleared it. I was invited for the next stage in London. However, since I'm based in India and the travel expensive including visa were not covered, I decided to wait for an opportunity in India instead. And finally, that opportunity came. Today is 26th April. And as you can see me, I'm still in my interview attire because I just completed my assessment. I'll show you that email I got from Virgin Atlantica for London base. So it will be help you. In this video, I will documentate everything, the type of question asked, each stage of assessment, my answer and the overall experience, including how much time each part take. I will break everything down step by step so it will easy for you to understand. So let me quickly explain the full assessment process for Virgin Atlantic cabin crew. This part is an online situation judgment test. In this section, you will get around 10 to 15 real-life questions. Cabin crew scenario. For each, you need to choose the most and least suitable response. This mainly tests your teamwork, customer service, safety awareness, and decision-making skills. After that, you move to the second part, which is video interview. Here, you will usually get around 2 minutes, 4 questions. You will have some time to prepare and then up to the 2 minutes to record each answer. This stage is all about personality, communication and how well you match the company values, right? Then come with the writing task where you will write around 200 to 250 words based on teamwork, situation handling, challenging situation. This check your grammar, clarity, the structure. There is also a reading task where you need to read loudly announcement. They will listen your pronunciation, confident and clarity. Also, I have added the all questions. Check it down so you can go through them for better understanding and preparation. Overall, the process is designed to see how you think, communicate and represent the brand. So just stay natural, confident and customer focused. If you need me to make more video related this interview, just comment me. Thank you.